Ohio Spiderwort is a wonderful native plant that you can grow in your garden. Its beautiful blue flowers bloom all summer, but it has a caveat. We'll be right back. Welcome to Cathy's Eclectic Garden. I'm Cathy, and my Northwest Ohio garden is in Zone 6A. The topic today is Ohio Spiderwort. Native to eastern and central North America, it has been in my garden for over 5 years. It occurs naturally in prairies, meadows, woodland edges, roadsides, and waste areas. Ohio Spiderwort is tolerant of all soil types and prefers well-drained soil. It can grow in 2 to 3 feet tall and 12 to 18 inches wide. Full sun will produce the most prolific blooms, but it will do well in shaded areas also. The scientific name for Ohio Spiderwort is Tradescantia ohioensis. This is a robust, versatile, and adaptable native plant that blooms blue from late spring to early fall. It's easy to grow and can self-seed. To maintain healthy growth and encourage a possible fall bloom, cut back the plant to 6 to 12 inches in midsummer. The flowers attract native bees and other pollinators. A common saying for native plants is that they sleep the first year, creep the second year, and leap the third year. Here is a first-year spiderwort seedling. It can easily be mistaken for a weed. If grown from seed by planting in fall, be sure to mark where it's planted so you don't accidentally remove it when weeding. Most natives need a cold stratification period or can be winter sown in milk jugs. I prefer to buy plants when growing natives, but have good success growing them from seed. This is the second year for this plant. It has reseeded around the original plant and grown to about 18 inches tall and wide. Ohio Spiderwort flowers open up in the morning as the day warms up, and the flower will close and reopen the next morning. On cool days, they will stay open all day. The caveat mentioned at the beginning: Ohio Spiderwort is fast-growing and can be somewhat aggressive. Watch to the end to find out how to keep it in check. Here is an Ohio Spiderwort that reseeded about 3 feet from the original plant. It's budded out and getting ready to bloom. The third year for this Ohio Spiderwort is easily 3 feet tall and close to 2 feet wide. Not shown in this video, but new plants are sprouting in various areas of this garden, which includes 3 areas: north, middle, and south. Here is the 2026 Spiderwort. The original plant in the beginning of the video clip has taken over this corner of the south garden. It has tripled in size over the past 5 years. Panning across the garden, you can see where a new plant has previously sprouted on the edge of the garden path. It was so strong and healthy that I just let it grow. It's now a second or third year plant. And finally, you can see where Ohio Spiderwort has colonized the north garden. Since Ohio Spiderwort can be somewhat aggressive, to avoid spreading, remove the flowers before they go to seed. If you see plants sprouting where you don't want them, they are easy to remove and can be moved to a better location. You can share them with friends or take them to a plant swap. Enjoy the bees pollinating my Ohio Spiderwort. Hopefully you are encouraged to grow some Ohio Spiderwort in your garden. All natives are beneficial. Comment below if you're growing natives too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.